Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on a fundamental aspect of human relationships and reproduction. Let's break down this term to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as sexual intercourse, sexual intercourse, sec, shu, ul, into, cause, sexual intercourse. It is the act of engaging in sexual activity involving the penetration of the vagina by the penis, often leading to reproduction and a deeper emotional connection between partners. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a term can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sexual intercourse, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.